guys, nagaluto na po yung fried rice ko na sarili kong version. Ang ingredients nito guys ay litson kawali. Nilagyan ko ito sa ng litson kawali. Yung ito siya. Yan. At saka kalahating repolyo, star margarine, saka kalahating nor cubes yung beef, at saka black pepper, soy sauce, at saka pinakamasarap magic sarap, at saka asin. Yan po yung bago kong version ng fried rice guys. Bango. Thank you for watching guys.